Going on, folks? Kris here. I'm stopping real quick in between escrows. Figured I'd do a quick video. Okay, so what I want to talk about today was building your dream home. Building your dream home. I'm going to do a quick series on building your dream home. First one today is talking about the big picture of what it is. Then I'll do some follow-on videos of breaking down different varying options of building your dream home. But this is a big one. A lot of people want to build their dream home. So benefits of building your dream home, building your own house. So I want you to know that this is the video series I'm going to be doing is one for people that are looking to build their dream home, but it's also for real estate agents that have clients that want to build their dream home. So this is the big one. A lot of people, when somebody comes to a real estate agent and say, I want to buy land, first question that should be out of your mouth is, what are you looking to accomplish with buying the land? So why is that a question that you should be asking? Okay, let's talk about land loans. Okay, so first thing on a land loan, typically it's going to be anywhere. The cheapest I've seen them are 25% cash down. Like I personally do them for 35% cash down, and then a lot of banks will do them for 50% cash down. So let's say it's a $100,000 piece of land, $25,000, $35,000, or $50,000 cash down on that land. Here's one of the other challenges with buying land or a land loan. It's on a 20-year note. It's not a 30-year mortgage or a 30-year note, it's a 20-year note. So if you have typically what we have on a 30-year, if you lose 10 years, what does that mean for the monthly costs? They're more expensive, right? You're having to squeeze in 10 more years into 20. You know what I mean. So long story short, that raises the price. Here's the other one. This is the big one for a lot of people to swallow, and I will do my best to explain it. The interest rates are always going to be higher. Interest rates are always going to be higher. Well, I think that's messed up. Okay, well, it is what it is. Why is it higher? The reality is if you own a house and that house was appraised for a certain amount of money and the bank says, yes, we're going to give you this loan for this house that's at a certain amount of money with a certain down payment, the bank knows that if you default on the loan, they can always turn around and sell that house in a fair market or even a decent market. They can turn around and sell that house and make their money back. They can recoup their losses, their potential losses. With land's totally different. It's a whole different hustle. It's harder to sell. Therefore, the bank looks at it as more risk. And when there's more risk, you get a higher interest rate. So challenges with buying land, heavy down payment, 20-year note, and then you're going to higher interest rates. So the first question that I ask people is, why are you looking to buy land? Well, I want to build my dream home on it. Okay, now depending on which program, you talk about one of two things, either the old school way of doing it or the new school way of doing it, which is a one-time closed construction. The old school way of doing it, I'm going to do follow-on videos to this. The old school way of doing it was you get a land loan, that's one closing. Then you get a construction loan, which is also, and we'll talk about that in the next video. And then you're going to refinance that into a conforming or non-conforming loan. The new way of doing it, which would be probably the last video I do, is called a one-time closed construction. That's purchasing the land and paying for the construction, all with a USDA, VA, FHA, or conventional loan at those down payments and those going rates at that time, that snapshot in time when you actually do it. And it's just one closing for all of it. That's why it's called the one-time closed construction. So that's all I got for this video. Hit me up if you have any questions, if it comes to construction, if it comes to renovations, if it comes to anything dealing with loans. If you're an agent and you have questions on agent stuff, hit me up. You can hit me up through YouTube. You can reach out to me through Facebook. It's just Kris McCullough, or KrisMcCullough.com is my website. You can find me on there, Kris, K-R-I-S, McCullough, M-C-C-U-L-L-O-U-G-H. And hit me up. Let me know. Put something in the comments. Talk to y'all later. Have a good one.